Do you want to easily gain trust from your e-commerce website visitor? Do you want to show them who else is buying your product? Then this video is for you, because in it, I'm going to show you how to create a sales notification for your e-commerce website. I will specifically show you how to create a sales notification using Notification X coming up. Hello guys, this is Sonic here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So to create a sales notification for your e-commerce website, you need to go to the back end of your WordPress website. So I'm at the back end of my website. I go over to plugins, then I click on add new. Under search plugins, I search for Notifications X. I have Notification X in here by WP Developer. I go ahead and install it. It is installed, I activate. Once it is installed, I'll be taken straight forward to the quick builder. However, you can always come in here to add new. But for now, let's go ahead with the quick builder. So the notification type comment is selected defaultly, which means you can use reviews, download statistics, e-learning, donations. You can even add notification bar and a contact form. But for this tutorial, I'm going to create a sales notification. So I click on sales notification. Take note, the plugin has a pro features. So if you want to use any of the pro features, you need to upgrade. Again, to be able to use the plugin for free, you can either go in for WooCommerce or Easy Digital Downloads. For this tutorial, I'm going to use WooCommerce. Then I go down, click on next. In here under design, you need to choose the style you want. So you can choose any of these three. I'll go ahead and use the third one. Then I click on next. So next we have visibility under display. So where do you want to show your sales notification? So you can show everywhere. You can also show on selected pages. So in here you need to select the location you want to show it. You can also decide to hide it on some selected pages. Also, you need to select the particular pages where you want to hide your sales notification. And the display for, you can display for everyone, logged out users or logged in users. So show on, I'll go ahead and choose show everywhere, and the display for will be for everyone. Under appearance, I have position. Where do I want to show my sales notification? It can be at bottom left or bottom right. I'll keep it at bottom left. And I click on next, and now we are at the final stage. You are about to publish Notification X sales notification on this date. You can rename this and edit everything whenever you want. Awesome. So I go ahead and publish it. It is publishing. Our sales notification is published. So in here I have the name of the sales notification, the preview, the status, that is if you want to enable or disable it. And then the type is sales notification, the statistics, this will show the number of views, and then it is scheduled for this particular date and time, and that is now. So if I want to edit the name, I can click on edit right here, and I can go ahead and remove whatever I have in here and change the name. So I'll enter e-commerce sales notification. So in here I can also decide to change the type of notification I want, but this is not what I want to do. I'll just go ahead and click on update. You can also use some advanced design. Click on it. Then in here you can change the background color, the text, and even the border color. You can also do some customizations on the typography and image appearance. I don't want to do any of this, so I toggle it back off. Now click on next. Now the notification template, do I want to show the full name of the client, the first name or the last name, or maybe a custom name? So you decide whatever you want to do in here. I'll choose the full name, and then whatever will come as part of the full name. So it can be John Doe just purchased, and then the product title will come, and then the time the product is being purchased, that is the definite time. And the rest of the things here are for the pro version of the plugin. Then go down and click on next. So in here you don't need to do any other thing. Click on next. So that's all what you need to do. The last thing I'll do is go ahead and update. Now I'll go to the front end of my website. So I go in here, open link in a new tab, Let's see how that will come up. Awesome. See that Ariana H just purchased this. Perfect. So the notification that appears here, when somebody sees it and want to buy this particular product, they can just go ahead and click on it, and it will take them to the product page of that particular product. And with this, you can increase your conversion rate. So that's it on how to create a sales notification for your WooCommerce website. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next video.